JKMD type multi-rope friction mining hoist. JKMD floor type multi-rope friction mining hoist is mainly used for lifting mineral, lifting and lowering people, lowering materials and equipment in vertical shaft of coal, non-ferrous metal, black metal, non-metal, and chemical mine. The multi-rope friction mine hoist is mainly composed of main spindle device, speed reducer, motor, coupling, disc brake, hydraulic station, lubrication station, depth indicator, speed detector, wire rope device, rope adjusting device, operation desk, electric control cabinet, hoisting sheave, device, and other parts. Multi-rope friction mine hoist working power can come from motor device. When motor device drum running, the 4-wire ropes on friction liner can move synchronously with drum, which can make the container lifting and lowering in mine shaft through a series of electrical, mechanical, hydraulic control and protection system to ensure the safe operation of the machine. Main spindle device can be equipped with single brake disc or double brake disc. It is composed of main spindle, hub, friction pulley, brake disc, bearing seat, bearing beam, friction liner, lock block, and other parts. Friction pulley use wholly welded structure to ensure enough intensity and stiffness. The spindle adopts number 45 forged steel and be formed from normalizing, heat treatment, and finishing. For the bearing, we choose reliable running and less maintenance double-row self-aligning spherical roller bearing. Friction liner, a floor-type multi-rope friction mining hoist, use double-rope groove. Its material is GM3 high-performance material and equipped with a rope adjusting device. Speed reducer adopts Planet Gear speed reducer. It has long service life, high transmission efficiency, small size, lightweight, low noise, easy maintenance, and be equipped with double pump system lubrication station, bi-oil displashing, and forced oil thinning lubricating to ensure gear speed reducer working smoothly. There is large loading capacity, long service life, safe and reliable. Good buffering performance gear type coupling connecting main spindle and speed reducer, elastic pin coupling linking speed reducer and motor, which can slow down the shock from starting and stopping of machine to the motor. The braking device uses rear oil cylinder structure to realize equipment braking through hydraulic and electric control. It has advantages of rapid response, braking force evenly distributed, safe and reliable, etc. The brake equipped with protection device of detecting brake shoe wear and spring fatigue to monitor brake shoe clearance, liner wear, and it also has warning and protecting function. The main valve parts of hydraulic station will use imported technology. It is advantage of proportional pressure adjustment, electric delay secondary braking function, 2 sets hydraulic system in one station, one set work, the other one is standby. Pressure adjustment of hydraulic system totally completed by electric control. Delay time from 0 to 10 seconds can be adjusted continuously. Screw rod type depth indicator has fail-safe feature and position limitation protection function. Hoisting sheave use welding structure equipped with PVC material liner. Electronic control adopts programmable digital DC control system. Use human-machine interface control, PLC programmable control, DC control, and other modern maturity control technology. It has the features of easy operation, high reliability, perfect protection, strong anti-interference ability, and less maintenance. The system uses double circuit supply incoming line layout, has uninterruptible power supply device to ensure safe and reliable.